So in Ultimate Team, the tactic code is a massive thing that you can do. If you've got a favorite pro player that gives out advice or anything like that, you can actually import it. So if you go into your team and go into team management, you will see, for instance, in this one, on the top left, there it is, next to the 433 underneath, that is the code that you need to get, or at least have been shared by somebody. So what you need to use that for is if you go over free, you should see the used code. This is where you'll import a new tactic and you just type it in and it will give you the same tactics that that person's used with your team. Now the big thing is, whenever importing, is the fact that we do have specific roles, specific positions. So if I was to look, for instance, at Carragher, if somebody has somebody with a defending plus like Carragher, or they have got a stopper plus, you got to remember your players might not have that. Plus then, if they're not in the same position, so for instance you don't have a cam or you don't have a right wing, they can only play right mid, that will affect this custom tactic if you don't have it. So you've got to make sure the position to position makes up, and also if they've got specific role pluses that they're highlighting, that's got to go as well in there. But that's how you use the code and import anybody's tactics.